Okay, in this video, we are going to use Excel to calculate the variance and the standard deviation. So you're going to click on this button and click on Open in Excel, which I've already opened. So here are our values. If you click on A and highlight that column, and then go to up here to Sort and Filter, you can sort these from smallest to largest. So we can clearly see that the range equals 8 minus 1, which is 7. Okay, so that's telling us our data is spread out by 7 units from the smallest to the largest. Now let's look at how we can use Excel. Now we are looking at the sample variance, so we're going to use these top two formulas for our variance and standard deviation. If you were doing the population, you would use the bottom two formulas. So notice that the formula, the letter S in var.s stands for sample. Same thing with standard deviation. And down here, the letter P stands for population. So we're going to do equals standard STDEV. And you can double click on the formula. Highlight your values. Close it, the parenthesis, and press enter. Okay, so there is our standard deviation. And I believe we probably wanted the variance first, but that's okay. Let's look at our standard deviation here. So it's 2.04, so we're rounding to 2 decimal places. So decrease decimals. All right, for your variance, we're working backwards, but you're going to do var.s since it's a sample. You're going to highlight your cells, close your parenthesis, press enter, and then decrease your decimal place to 2 decimal places. So our sample variance is 4.18. So that is how you use Excel to calculate your variance and your standard deviation. Let me know if you have any questions.